Hi, my name is CJ Wong, and I'm a graduate student at the University of New Hampshire working in the Row Lab. And today I want to tell you a little bit about what's involved with joining the New England Flying Squirrel Network and being part of the Citizen Science Project. So, what we're asking for people to do is to either make or buy a nest box, and then you put that nest box up on a tree in your yard. And then monthly, you're going to go along and check the nest box and see what's in it. You'll take a picture and record data about the contents of the nest box in an app. And also, you'll collect a hair sample with a little brush at the entrance hole of the nest box. And then you'll note information about the surroundings of the nest box. So what tree is the nest box on, and other trees in the area. So we'll have a better idea of what the vegetation is like in your yard. So what you'll find in the nest boxes is always very interesting. A flying squirrel nest looks like either of these. The nest on the left is a nest of shredded inner bark of a tree, and this flying squirrel put some leaves in there too, made a nice cozy nest. This nest over here also looks pretty cozy. It's made out of moss, and you can see some nuts in there that they've chewed. Flying squirrels do some interesting things in their nest boxes, we found. So they might make a nest, which is nice, or they might have a feeding station there. And the feeding station will be like the nest box will be full of nuts that they've chewed up. So they go in there and chew up their nuts, and that's what they do in that nest box. And another nest box you might find is full of feces. So that's like their bathroom. So they're kind of like they've got a nest is like their bedroom, and they differentiate kind of like humans. Feeding station is kind of like the kitchen. It's pretty cool. You might find nuts like this in the area wherever you're out taking a walk, and they what it is you'll see that it's like a circular chewing of the nut, and that's an indication that a flying squirrel's around. So look for nuts like this when you're out taking a walk. You might find something else in a nest box. Not only flying squirrels use the boxes. So there might be a bird in there, or you might find a mouse. And a mouse nest looks different than a flying squirrel box because they kind of use like leaves. It looks like this is leaves that have been kind of torn apart. And also sometimes I see a little bit of garbage in little bits of trash they found here and there, and they put that in their nest box too. So I don't see that in flying squirrel boxes. I have found chipmunks in the boxes, birds, snakes, all sorts of things. So it's kind of exciting, like opening a birthday gift. What's going to be in the nest box? So we will give you more protocol if you decide to join the project. We'd love to have you. Families could join. You could put one in your backyard, and it'd be a fun thing to do together as a family. And all the data is going to be available. So if teachers are interested, we're going to have the data out there. You could use it as a class project. We have some labs available for teachers. A scout group might be interested in putting up a few nest boxes and having it be part of their science merit badge. And a librarian might want to put up a nest box and maybe have a bulletin board, something like that, and get people interested in citizen science. I think it's going to be really fun, and I hope you will get out there and put up nest boxes. Thanks. Bye.